Every single time. Because I'm like, I'm going to the mosque.
They must eat meat. Pork isn't a bad meat. Bird meat tends to be the most efficient. And then pig meat would be probably the best. Partly a traditional byproduct of their things like energy. Looking at prices there. Pig meat prices and chicken prices have gone up for 21 and 22.
Save time.
Most people don't step there.
Okay. Yeah.
I think so, yeah?
Yeah, I think that's better. Brandon.
No, it's okay, honestly.
You can't do it all by yourself.
You see, at least it's giving me something I'm like, wow, yeah.
So you have not been using it before?
I've been using it, but I used it for the HACCP. So I was so prepared for the HACCP. Extremely, like I had like, I don't know how many pages.
Because that was what you wanted.
Yeah, but right now this, I have to think. And then it gives you a link to this. People who studied before, I don't know which brain they were using. And then sometimes it makes me feel like, God, there's another technology that people are using that I'm not aware of yet. Have you ever
It makes me.
that way?
I feel every single time because I'm like, there's so many AI tools,
There are many.
and people are leveraging it. People are using it for their work.
You see, in Kenya, of course, you're the centers of unemployment in Africa. So, most Kenyan youth.
Teach me how to say like, thank you for the food.
Asante kwa chakula. Yeah, it's hard, huh?
Asante
Kwa chakula.
kwa chakula. So asante is thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Kwa is for. But there's not the food, there's not the food. It's just food.
Thank you for food.
Thank you for food, yeah. So asante kwa chakula. In Swahili, I don't.
Assalamu alaikum.
No, so Swahili, that's Assalamu alaikum is greetings, huh?
Yeah.
But
Peace
in
be
Swahili,
upon you.
Oh, peace be upon you.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not Swahili. It's called.
Serious?
And Arabs live along the coastal line in Kenya, and those people who live along the coastal line are called Swahili people. Like my friend who she's also in Ireland. I came with her. She is.
I'm recording the conversation.
Oh, you're recording. She is. Like if you ask her, like the way you are Yoruba, if you ask her what's your tribe, she'll say Swahili. And
Yeah. But like when I talk, people say I speak like the Hausas because I lived among them. So I speak English like them.
oh, so the English accents also change.
I think intonation because of
The
how
mother tongue,
because
I
of the
know.
mother tongue, because
Same. Also,
you're speaking English different
Yeah,
from the way I'm
yeah.
speaking. Shafi is speaking different from the way I'm speaking, I guess.
Yeah.
Could be
yeah,
similar,
I've
but you'd
noticed
notice a bit of
that. I would notice like both of you are Nigerians, but I'll notice like I'll understand you better. Yours is more smoother.
certain languages have stronger accents.
Yeah. So in Kenya, I'm from a sub-tribe called Kalenjin, and Kalenjins are known to have the worst accents.
Let me see.
English.
I think
don't
all
know
of
why.
these things like are dependent on like the environment.
Yeah, environment.
Where you have stayed for a long period of time.
But I think it's funny that even without knowing the Hausas, I like them better. if I was to choose.
Yeah, you like.
So that's why we are doing the Siabata. have used it for skin and hair care, food and medicine for at least 700 years. And in recent decades, it's become a global sensation. International customers often buy larger quantities from companies that can produce it faster, making it harder for traditional farmers. But the biggest threat is right in their backyard. For the past 4 decades, men have been cutting down the very tree that provides livelihood to many families. We traveled to Ghana to find out how, despite the challenges, this group of women artisans is still standing. The day starts with a 2-hour trek to the forest for many women in the town.
As you can see, this part is the India, very India on the left-hand side, as you can see, and then everybody right from Ireland to Turkey from there. So, anyways, Abhishek, thank you so much for joining us. And Abhishek,
Don't worry.
Okay,
It's all good.
I'll let you take over the floor. Thank you, Abhishek.
Absolutely. Just to also. So I was giving the projector.
Are you going?
Yes, you are behind us.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
worry. Say sustainability. Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Awesome.
What?
We have car.
Yeah, someone will have.
Enhancing food inspection more effectively and efficiently. And for sampling, I'm using purposive sampling to select the expert talent.
And these are the specific objectives that will help me.
Okay, this pack is finished. Okay. What's this made of? Have you picked? Vegetarian.
Framework for accountability across all levels of the industry. So the aim is to develop a sustainable auditing framework.
And my brother is heavy. I don't know what I put in it. He's from here.
Yeah.